This is the brand new Eufy smart lock, doorbell, and camera built into one device. I can't believe someone came out with this, and it works great. At least that's what the reviews have said, but I'm going to do my own review. But today, we're just going to check out the unboxing and see what comes with this. So without further ado, let's check it out. It is a very, very heavy box, which I kind of expect from Eufy, because all their door locks that I've checked out are very, very heavy, well built. So this is a 2K camera, has a fingerprint reader on there. So a lot of great things that are built in here. Now I did see that it comes with the chime, which is also probably the built-in home base. That's what I'm assuming. I actually have one of these, and I have a home base too that I primarily use. So hopefully I can connect this to my home base and don't need an extra device. But if I do, it does come with it. So, all right, let's check it out. Like I said, this is very, very heavy. Dun, 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 dun. All right, what should we check out first? The back? Let's check out the back. All right, the back is actually pretty much all plastic. So I'm sure the battery, this thing opens up somehow. You get the battery in there. Yep, battery goes in here. But this is definitely all plastic. And here's your knob. But it feels great in the hand, but it definitely is plastic. All right, this is metal though. Wow. So let's have some like rubber gasket on there or something. I guess this goes up against the door, so this is rubber, so they don't want scratching the door. But the rest of this is metal. So this is the plate that you're probably screwed to the door, and then this just screws onto that. All right, here is the show. Here is the star of the show. Here we go. Boom. Yes, this thing is solid. Wow. All right, let's rip this off. I know some of you guys love that. I don't know why, but there it is. Fingerprint reader right there on top. Very easily accessible with right or left hand. You got the camera right there. This is a 2K camera. And if you don't want to use the fingerprint reader, you do have a keypad. So you can assign a number to someone who hasn't been registered with their finger yet, so they can get in that way. And then right here on the front, that's the doorbell. Very, very cool. And I think people realize that's the doorbell because it has a nice little doorbell sign on there. So it's just weird that people will ring it right on the door. So hopefully people will figure that out. Now I already have a normal doorbell kind of like on the side of my door. So hopefully people will use this instead. I might have to put a sign up just to for testing purposes. So I really can't take that down. All right, here's the back of it. All solid. This is rubber too, but the rest of this is all metal. Very cool. Here's the wires that go through. There's actually 2 wires, which I'm quite surprised. Now I wonder if there is a keyhole behind here. I wouldn't be surprised if there's some keyhole behind here, but I could be wrong. Let's see if there's any keys that come with this. And then on the bottom, you have micro USB-C, just in case the battery dies. I guess you can kind of jump start it. And there seems to be one push button. I'm not quite sure what that's for. And this is probably your speaker right here. I'm assuming your microphone is right there. And then you have a little light and probably a couple IR lights built in here also. So I'm assuming. All right, let's see what else is in here. Okay, here is a piece of plastic that probably goes in the door hole. So if your door hole will actually fit this, you can actually put this on here. And it will snap on just like that. Boom. But if your door hole is too small, you can actually just take it off. You don't actually have to use that. Here is the battery. Now this looks exactly like the same battery that's in the Eufy Smart Drop. It does take a USB-C wire. I think the one for the smart box, that was actually USB, micro USB. So I like that they updated it. Bunch of paperwork, probably some stickers in here. Let's see. Yep. All right. Here is your plug. I wonder what the plug is for. To charge. Oh, obviously, duh. That's for the door chime. Right there. That just goes right there. This is North American plug because I'm in America, USA. There we go. That's all nice in. You can put the antennas. And there is your micro SD card, so you can store locally. Now they do have an option of cloud storage for the camera footage, but as every other Eufy product, you don't have to buy that service. You can actually store locally, which is awesome. All right, let's see what else. Okay, here is the latch. And this is a black latch, which is awesome because I have a black door. Very cool. And obviously you can change it for different size doors. A couple screws and other accessories that you need to install. And yes, look at this, boys and girls. I'm not going to show you my key. So somewhere under here, there has to be some way to get in here. Let's see. I would think it'd be in here. I don't want to break it, but it's got to be here. There it is. Oh. Boom. There it is, boys and girls. I knew there was a key. Very, very cool. So how many ways do you have in this lock? You got the fingerprint, keypad, phone, key, so that's 4. So very, very cool. And then you can just push this back in, and you have your doorbell back. No one even knows that there's a key behind there. So, all right, that is the unboxing. That is it. Couple extra screws in there. But it's now the time to install this. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.